Hello, everyone. It's Lawrence, little better known as the Wet Shaving Barber. And I apologize if you haven't seen any videos lately. It's basically been due to health reasons. But now that things are on the mend, you will start to see content. As a matter of fact, the first week in April, on that Monday, I will be again syndicating even more content to you guys, answering questions and so forth. There's also a segment that I'm doing. It's a true case study. A friend of mine in my congregation came to me and wanted me to work with his son because his son is 18 but has serious skin issues, especially when it comes down to razor bumps because of improper shaving techniques and so forth. So you'll see a series of videos on that case study, which basically shows me taking him from the razor bump issues that he has now on to, again, using DE shaving or wet shaving properly to remove that issue. So again, Lawrence Little, the wet shaving barber, saying, I apologize for not producing a lot of content. Thank you guys for being patient, for the questions, and again, all the other accolades and information that has been sent to me. I appreciate you guys very much. And we'll get things kicking again.